Kohinoor Textile Mills.
Kohinoor Textile Mills is a frontrunner in addressing climate change through sustainable practices. We have embraced eco-friendly manufacturing, reduced carbon emissions, and promoted renewable energy sources. Our initiatives serve as an inspiring example for the industry as we actively work towards a greener future and contribute to the preservation of our natural resources.
We are sharing with you a short video highlighting the efforts made at Kohinoor Textile Mills' site to promote sustainable textile manufacturing. We understand the importance of reducing our carbon footprint and preserving our planet's resources.
Kohinoor Textile Mills Limited is a leading vertically integrated textile manufacturer for more than 70 years with over 5,000 employees. We are renowned for our quality, efficiency, and innovation. At Kohinoor, we are committed to sustainability, the circular economy, and green chemistry to achieve the highest level of environmental sustainability and lead to zero liquid discharge. Given the increased scarcity of water and rapid pace of climate change, the need for water conservation and a shift from traditional fossil fuels to more renewable and sustainable sources of energy is imperative for the textile industry. We recycle almost 85% of raw water utilizing the latest technology, with an aim to achieve a closed-loop system. In addition, we have a rainwater collection system that channels massive amounts of seasonal monsoon rainwater from rooftops into a large reservoir, reducing our reliance on municipal water. In an effort to lower our carbon footprint and become more green, we've made a large investment into solar energy in the last few years. Kohinoor has installed 15 megawatts of solar production capacity across our 3 manufacturing sites, and we have started the process to install another 13 megawatts by the start of 2024. Waste heat recovery is another source of recapturing power traditionally lost to the system. Heat emanating from natural gas engines is used to warm water, reducing the overall energy requirement for steam generation. Kohinoor Textile Mills Limited is committed to following ZDHC version 2.1. Sustainable textile production focuses on reducing the environmental impact of the manufacturing process by adopting cleaner production techniques, such as using eco-friendly dyes and chemicals, implementing water conservation measures, and minimizing waste generation. It also involves ensuring safe and fair working conditions for employees through the supply chain. We support local communities by creating jobs and providing on-site training and skill enhancement for our frontline workers. At Kohinoor, care for employees and families is a core value, with free housing and utilities provided on-site, leading to a true living wage. On-site education is provided to the children of our staff and to the surrounding community. Medical facilities, in coordination with our HSE teams and our union, strive to provide quick and free care to our labor force. Similarly, with a focus on development of the local community, our training center provides an opportunity to enhance skills and employability. A vision of our clean and green environment is ensured by the following certifications: ISO 9001, ISO 14001, Eco-Tex Standard 100, Eco-Tex Step Made in Green, Pig Index, Eco-Label, GOTS, OCS, and GRS. We also hold certifications such as SA 8000, BSCI, SEDEX, SMETA, and ZDHC, demonstrating their environmental and social responsibility commitment. We also monitor environmental parameters regularly, collecting data on wastewater, emissions, air quality, and more. We are planning to launch our dashboard for sustainable reporting and initiatives to move towards zero paper waste shortly. A large part of our product range includes the use of pre-consumer waste, made as byproducts of the manufacturing process, and post-consumer waste, such as denim jeans, rags, etc., to produce exportable products.
We recognize that the choices we make today will have a significant impact on the world we leave behind. That's why we are constantly exploring new ways to reduce our carbon footprint, minimize waste, and promote sustainable practices across our operations. Together, we can create a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable world for everyone.
Our dedication to sustainability and responsible manufacturing is not just about the present, but also about contributing to a better future for generations to come.